Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with a Samsung Galaxy A17 5G Android phone, and in this video I'll be showing you how to remove your fingerprint biometrics from the device. Okay, so you might want to do this, for example, if you're switching authentication methods. You might actually prefer to use a different security method like face unlock, or simply you might just prefer to use a PIN or a pattern password to gain access into the phone. Also, this is very good as well if, for example, the device has damage or wear. So if you're experiencing issues with the fingerprint scanner here on the side of the phone there, you might just need to remove the fingerprint and just log in with either your face unlock or your password or PIN code. Okay, so now that I've explained that, I'm going to take you through the steps of how to remove the fingerprint. So at the moment, the fingerprint is set on the phone. So as you can see, when I touch the fingerprint there on the side, it unlocks and brings me straight into the phone. So now I'm just going to take you through the steps of how to remove it. So just simply follow my steps, pull down the notification panel, and then go into the settings, and then scroll down to where it says lock screen, screen lock and biometric. And then just simply select the option. Then select Screen Lock and Biometrics. Then you will need to enter your current PIN. So put in your PIN code. And then from here, just scroll down to where it says Fingerprints. Select the option. And where it says Fingerprint 1, just go ahead and select it, then select the option up here in the top right hand corner to remove. Then this little box will pop up and it will explain that remove fingerprint features that use fingerprints will be turned off. Just go ahead and select remove, and that's it. The fingerprint has now been removed. So now when your phone is locked, and you try to unlock it using the fingerprint on the side, nothing happens. You will actually have to use your password or face unlock to get back into the phone. So yeah, that's how you remove your fingerprint biometrics from the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G Android phone. Hope this video helped you out. If it did do, you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I will see you in the next video. I'm out. Deuces.